How to log into your Starz account on new phone. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are logged out of your Starz account on your old phone. And after making sure that, now you can simply make sure that Starz is installed on your new phone, then open the application, right? So after simply opening the applications, then make sure that you remember all of the credentials of your Starz account. So if you do remember all of the credentials, there's no such complicated process. So all you need to do is simply tap on the option login right here, and after tapping on login, you can actually simply add in the email address of your email address of your account, and then add in the password, then tap on login, and just like that, you'll actually be logged into your Starz account on your new phone. So in case if you have signed up your account using any of those platforms like your Apple ID or Google ID, you can tap on them and then go along with the process of adding down their own credentials, and then you'll be able to log into your account, right? So in here, let's just say you have logged in with your TV provider, then you can also simply tap on the option login with TV provider, then tap on allow, and in here you'll need to select exactly which TV provider, then simply tap on that one and add in their credentials of your account, and then like that you will actually be able to log into your Starz account using this TV provider too. So in here, let's just say in case you have forgotten your password, then what you can actually do is simply tap on the option forgot password and then go along with the process of how you'll be able to recover it too. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.